Now, in the last class we have discussed about the section formula. So now let's take the problem which is based on the section formula. So now example is 4 points ABCD with position vector A vector, B vector, C vector, D vector respectively are such that 3A vector minus B vector plus 2C vector minus 4D vector equal to 0. Show that the 4 points are coplanar. Also find the position vector of the point of intersection of lines AC and BD. Now let's see the solution of this. Now if the two lines AC BD are intersect at a point P. So let's see, the given equation is 3A vector minus B vector plus 2C vector minus 4D vector equal to 0. So now 3A vector plus 2C vector is equal to the B vector plus 4D vector. Now if I divide both the side by 5, then it will not be affect the result. So let's see, we can compare this side by the section formula and this side we also again can compare by the section formula. So by this we get it divides the AC into the 3:2 ratio, point P divide the AC into 3:2 ratio, and the point P divide the BD into 1:4 ratio, that is 3:2 and the 1:4. Now the next topic is linear combination of vector. Linear combination of vectors. R vector is set to the linear combination of vector A vector, B vector, C vector, etc. if there exist scalar vectors are lambda 1, lambda 2 and so on. So linear combination of the vector is written as R vector is lambda 1 A vector, lambda 2 B vector plus lambda 3 C vector and so on. Now the combination of vectors involves two linear programming, linear composition of the addition of vector and the multiplication of vectors with scalars. Now if A vector equal to B vector, then we write A vector equal to lambda B vector. Now if the two vectors are parallel vectors, so we can define as A vector equals to lambda of B vector. So now let's see, A vector is equal to the A1 I cap, B1 j cap, C1 k cap. B vector equals to A2 I cap, B2 j cap, C2 k cap. By the condition of this A vector equals to lambda B vector, we get A1 upon A2 equals to B1 upon B2. Now let's take the example. Find the unit vector in the direction of vector A vector equals to 2I cap 3j cap plus k cap. Now the solution of this, now the unit vector is defined as the A vector upon the magnitude of A vector is 2I cap 3j cap plus k cap upon under root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 1. So that is 2I cap 3j cap plus k cap upon under root of 14. Now the next example is find the unit vector in the direction of the sum of the vector A vector equals to 2I cap 2j cap minus 5k cap. B vector equals to 2I cap j cap plus 3k cap. Solution: A vector plus B vector equal to C vector. A vector plus B vector is 4I cap plus 3j cap minus 2k cap. So the unit vector of C is C vector upon the magnitude of C vector is 4I cap plus 3j cap minus 2k cap upon under root of 16 plus 9 plus 4. C cap is 4I cap plus 3j cap minus 2k cap upon under root of 29. Let's take the next example is prove that using vector median of a triangle are concurrent. Now let's see the solution of this. Now that is a triangle of A, B, C. A vector, B vector, C vector. Draw the median from B, C and A. Now that is the D, E and F. The position vector of now position vector of a point D, vector position of a point dividing AD in the ratio 2:1. Now that is G point. It divides into the 2:1 ratio. Now the coordinates of the D point is B vector plus C vector of divided by 2. So coordinates of the D. Now the position vector of the position vector of the point G is 2 times of the B vector plus C vector divided by 2 plus A vector divided by 2 plus 1. So G is A vector plus B vector plus C vector divided by 3. Now similarly by these two sides are also, so it is concurrent. Now the next example is if G is the centroid of the triangle ABC, prove that GA vector plus GB vector plus GC vector is equal to 0. Now let's see the solution. Now G is the centroid of the triangle, so position vector of the G is A vector plus B vector plus C vector divided by 3. So GA vector plus GB vector plus GC vector is A vector minus A vector plus B vector plus C vector divided by 3 plus B vector minus A vector plus B vector plus C vector divided by 3 plus C vector minus A vector plus B vector A vector plus B vector plus C vector divided by 3. So after solving this equation we get the 0. So now in the next class we will discuss the component of vector in two dimension.